Hello everyone, it's your girl Babs, and I'm continuing my video series on book reviews. And I tried to stay within that theme of not introducing you to books that you've already know should be on your shelf as a marketer and as an online marketer, but books that have fun titles and books that are unusual that you may not have heard of. And today I want to introduce you to a book, and it is entitled Talk is Cheap. And this book is written by Godfrey Harris and Gregory Harris. And the purpose of the book is to promote your business through word of mouth advertising. Now, I think this book is unusual because how often we do that? We're so busy promoting our business online, and I guess when we get the opportunity, we do promote one-on-one, and that's with family and friends. But this is showing you how not only to promote through word of mouth, and that's using your existing customers to help you do that. And some of the ways on here are ways that we probably already know, but we just haven't thought about. Now, in the beginning of the book, it talks about the importance of your existing customers and how you should be treating them so that they can maintain loyalty to you. Now, some of them are just, like I said, very obvious, right? And I'll read them to you to give you some ideas for your business. Listen, your customers are communicating. They are. Reward your customers. They deserve recognition because of their loyalty. Now, how can you do that? Well, find out what about their anniversary, their birthdays, their children's birthday. And when they purchase from you, send them a thank you card. I always do that. I send a thank you card. And then as I get to communicate and learn more about them, I jot down information about them in particular, and I ask them about it. Oh, your husband wasn't feeling well. Your husband was in the hospital. Or how are things with Gregory, their son? And oh, it's his birthday. Happy birthday. You know, I do that. And I do that not because I'm trying to garner more business, but because I love customer relations, and I love people. And it's important to establish a relationship, and you do that by having an interest in them. Watch how your customers are reacting to your products, and inform your customers. You know, when a customer buys something from me, especially TaxBot. As you know, I'm in Wake Up Now, and we have software products that will help you in your daily life. They're awesome products. They help you save, manage, and you can earn money. And one of them, my favorite product that I have, is the TaxBot. And TaxBot, what it does is it tracks your business mileage, and it captures your business receipts. And it help you to save a lot of money because it will post and sync all your taxable deductions up to your computer, and it organizes it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I know you heard my story about how I sit on the floor right around tax time with all these receipts and trying to organize them. And now I'm organizing on the way. So I have to explain that to my customer. I say, how is that working for you? Are you taking advantage of it and using it to its highest ability? You know, I check with them periodically on that, and they're very happy with that product. So again, inform your customers and follow up with them on the products, and probe your customers. You know, absolutely ask them questions. You know, and then request referrals. You know, tell them, hey, if you like this, would you share it with your friend? Will you share it with your friends and tell them about me? And of course, because the relations that you're trying to establish with them, they're going to want to help you out, you know, because you're not just selling them a product, you're selling them a life, you know, especially if you're getting them into the business. but also you're showing something that you want them to use for life that will be beneficial to them. That's what I meant by you selling them a life, but you selling them something that will be beneficial to them forever. In order to do that, you do have to keep them apprised of the updates on your products. So that's my book report for today. Again, talk is cheap. There's some good information in here. There is. So get the book. Again, it's by the Harris people. I'm not going to say their relatives. I don't know. But Godfrey Harris and Gregory Harris. I'll see you in my next video. Make it a marvelous day. Bye-bye.